Hey everyone, I'm Nishantini. Have you ever experienced your computer freezing while running multiple tasks? That's due to the concept called deadlock in operating system. Today we will break it down in the simple way. Let's get started. First of all, what is deadlock? Deadlock is the situation that occurs when two processes are waiting for the other to complete before proceeding. The result is that both processes are hang. And when does occur? Deadlock occur in the operating system when two or more processes waiting indefinitely for resources that are held by each other. It have two types of deadlock. First one, process headlock and system headlock. Process headlock is deadlocked when it is the waiting on the event which will never happen, and system deadlock is deadlock when one or more process are deadlocked. It is called as system deadlock, and it has four conditions. First one is mutual exclusion and hold and wait, and next one is no permission, and fourth one is circular wait. This picture to define deadlock is how to occur in the your system. First one is mutual execution. It is only one process at the time can use the resources. Exactly, it cannot be shared between multiple processes at the same time. If one process is using the resources, another must wait until it is released. Example, a printer can only be used by one process at a time. If process A is using the printer, process B must wait in the next complete one. This picture to define the mutual exclusion. And next one, hold and wait condition. A process holding at least one resource can request for additional resources. It is called a hold and wait condition. Example, process A hold the printer but is waiting for the scanner. Process B hold the scanner but is waiting for the printer. Both are holding resources and waiting for the other to release that. It is example of hold and wait. And next one, no permission condition. A resource can be released only voluntarily by the process holding it. That is, previously granted resources cannot be forcibly taken away. It is called no permission. And example, if process A is using the printer, the system cannot be forcefully take it and give it to process B. Instead, process B must wait until A release involuntarily. And next one, circular wait. Circular wait occurs when the set of processes are waiting for resources in the circular chain where each process hold one resource and wait for the another held by the next process. Example, process A is waiting for the resources held by process B and process B is waiting for the resources held by process C. Process is waiting for the resources held by process A. This forms a circular wait situation casing the deadlock. And this picture to define the deadlock in circular wait. And next one, deadlock prevention. Deadlock prevention is the prevent the deadlock occurred by ensuring that at least one of the condition cannot hold. It have two types. One is direct method and indirect method. Direct method prevent the occurrence of the condition is circular wait. And indirect method it have three types. One is mutual exclusion, hold and wait, and no prevention. First one is mutual exclusion. The mutual execution condition is the one of the necessary condition of the deadlock. It it cannot be shared the any resources in the other system. Example, tape drive and printer. And shareable resources example is read only files. And next one, hold and wait condition. The hold and wait condition must be generated that whenever a process requires the resources, it does not hold any other resources. This lead to process waiting for each other, causing the potential deadlock. And next one, no prevention condition. The third condition is that there is no prevention of the resources that have already been allocated. The required resources are taken back from the process holding and given to the requesting process. And next one, circular waiting condition. Impose the total ordering of the all resources type require that each process request resources in the increasing order of enumeration, and it have some disadvantages also. Adding the new resources that upset ordering requires all the code ever written to be the modified resources numbering affect the efficiency. And next one, deadlock awareness. Deadlock awareness is the made the dynamically whether the current resources allocation required will, if generated, potentially lead to the deadlock. It requires knowledge of the future process required. It have two types. One is safe state and another one is unsafe state. What is safe state? Safe state is the a resource allocation state in the system called allocate resources to each process in the same order and still avoid the deadlock. And unsafe state is if no such safe sequence exists, then the system state is say to the unsafe. It is called as the unsafe state. And next one, it have some advantages and disadvantages of the deadlock. First one is advantages. Advantages resources control, simpler system design and synchronization, avoiding process starvation and efficient handling of the critical section. And another one is disadvantage. Disadvantage is the system halt, resources wastage, and system crashes, increased complexity. That is all about deadlock. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for each tech related videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.